Python all and bool empty cases. When using help all, it returns help bool returns when trying. My question is, in case that all's input is the empty list /dict/tuple I iterator, what's passed to bool? And how come it returns true, as it's dependent on bool?
Bool is never invoked if all's argument is empty. That's why the docs point out the behavior of all on an empty input as a special case. The behavior bool == false is irrelevant to what all does in any case. By the way, in Python bool is a subclass event, so bool == false is necessary to be compatible with that int == 0. As to why, for example, all is true, it's to preserve useful identities. Most importantly, for any non-empty sequence X it's desirable that and all == true is the only result allowing that identity to hold for all values of X.
Is documented to be equivalent to, which returns false if and only if any value in the list converts to false. Since there is no element in the list you pass in, no element converts to false, and the result of the function call is true.
What's passed to bool? Nothing, and not the nothing of bool. Bool is never called. Is every element in an empty sequence truthy? Yes. There aren't any that aren't, after all.
My guess is that it's implemented something like. So an empty iterator is vacuously true. This makes sense, and corresponds with similar notions in logic. We usually say that a universal quantifier holds of some proposition over a domain even if an existential one doesn't.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.